Just introduce yourself, please.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ethel from Ruby Woods.
Yay! All right. Very nice, very nice. Next is Danica.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Danica from Hyde Park.
Yay! Thank you. Next, Janine.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Janine from Manhattan.
Yeah! Alright, we don't have Dancel, but we have Somaya next. Judges, please note it, Somaya.
Hello, good evening. I'm Sumaya, the lobby hostess.
Yeah! Next, we have Umayma. Judges, please note.
Good evening, everyone. I'm happy to be with you. My name is Umayma. I'm also from Manhattan.
You forgot. Very good. Okay, next we have Chamika.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Chamika from Chingai.
Yeah! Next we have Aisha.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Miss Radisson Blue from Radisson Blue.
Next we have Jocelyn.
Good evening, everyone. My name is John Cyril from representing FNB Cashier.
Next we have Ikram.
Good evening, everyone. I think do you know me? I'm the younger one. I come from guest relation.
All right, ladies and judges will take note, and we thank you for participating. We will call you back shortly. Please, round of applause to the ladies.